The hypot function in C++ basically does the distance formula. Hypot is in the CMath header file, so we will hash include CMath as well as including IOStream. Finally, we will do using namespace std. Hypot returns a double, so our answer will be double ants equals hypot of 3 and 4. Next, we'll print our answer. Put to cout our answer, and put to our answer the end line. If we run this code, we'll see 5. If you remember back from grade school, this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. If the two legs are 3 and 4, then the hypotenuse is 5. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.